Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nong penyat ke Miss Universe Meghalaya Arajar Apunrio bat ke Miss Teen Meghalaya Arajar Apunrio. Kabalalam Komando State Director Uba Brian N. Walang. Haga khal Southri Kurumpang Araja Apunrio ulapan bena patba. Baya ke Rynsan Ïakop the Bhabrio. Kaban sedang hapadeng ubana yayong Araja Apunrio. Buat sagi pre-events shwa ke grand finale kabalabu haga shitarek ubana jemmang Araja Apunrio. Hagane ke jingyalang lasan ran lang da u pageant coordinator u Sharawan Pradhan ka pageant coach ka Laila Kharkangor u event manager Uliam Dekhar Phanbo u Jaintia Hills district coordinator u Tebor Lang Hing ka Garo Hills district coordinator ka Ngensi Sangma bat ka reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya ka Fortunate Mika Dekhar habakran shakila pathai khobor hakate ke sngi nakalyang uba Brian ulabatay Baka jing temu jong kani ka jing Ïakop kadai bante ya ka Rynsan ka balat bit bat ban ai ka mensiam bat ban penkre ikinong ishim benta haki kardan jilla bat kari ula banjar baka pageantry haki ni kisni ka long shapang ka jing long shlur nalade ka jing long kum kinong ilam ka sur bat ka jing temu om tang shapang ka dur ula khat bat karpa di kisamla kanthe na keleng ka jilla Meghalaya bakin wan ban ishim benta haki ni ka Rynsan ka kanhon ka ai khublei ru Bat ka ay ka jingero ya u supporting partner ka lum kentur bat ya u bate na ka benta ka jingkershan ka ni ka jing Ïakop na ka liang u pageant coordinator ulapan bena ba ka walk in registration kan sedang na do ka prabaji men step habaro ki jaka audition bat ki tarik audition kin long ha ka nyo tarik u leber ha tura shipho tarik u leber ha joai bat khat saw tarik u leber ha shillong Ki kerdan kin long Miss Universe Meghalaya ki bakan thop na do khat pras nem shaning bat ka Miss Teen Meghalaya ka bakan thop na do khat lai ha do khat khandai snem kumta na kalyang ka kanhun kala khat ngo bha ya kinong ishim benta na baro ki district ka Meghalaya ban apply bat ki jingte bakham bania na benta ka ni kila awan phone hau number khandai lai nrio saw ar lai pra lai lani ban shupha da ka email shaka mepo.managementshillong@gmail.com
Officially announced the Miss Universe Meghalaya and also Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. And before I go on, I would like to introduce the members of the panel that are here. I will ask.
Hello everyone, my name is Fortunate Mika and I am the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya. Thank you.
Thanks to all the press houses. I am Shravan Pradhan and I'm the pageant coordinator for Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026 and Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. Thank you.
I am Laila Kharkangor and I will be the groomer, personality development trainer for the contestants this year, and we have a lot in store for them, so we're excited for this.
Hello everyone, my name is Liam and one of the event managers for this project, and I will thank you all for coming here, for being with us today, the media press and everyone. I would also like
We'll be holding auditions in Shillong, but we're also going to have an audition in Jaintia Hills, that's in July, and in Tura, so that we can have members from all over the different districts of our state included, because there are many of them who didn't get the opportunity earlier, so we want to give everyone the opportunity. So that's why we will be going to these other districts so that we will be able to conduct these auditions for them. We also open to other districts if they want us to have auditions in their state districts. We will also be willing to go there, because for me personally, and I think for my team here, we really want as many girls to be able to be a part of this, because it's not just about beauty but it's also about self-growth. We want them to go through, because we're going to have nearly a 2-week training program for them, so that by the end of that program, whether they win or not, we want them to be confident, we want them to be able to be focused, to be able to be an asset to society and also asset to themselves, because once they go through the training, there are so many job opportunities which can be waiting for them, and I think they will be much more confident being able to go after these 2 weeks, and I'm sure each contestant will notice the difference in themselves. So for Jaintia Hills, Mr. Tebor Lang will be in charge. He's our team member, and from Garo Hills we have Miss Nancy Sangma. So both of them will be the ones who are coordinating for us in Garo Hills and also in Jaintia Hills. And that's why I want to encourage all the young girls, because for the teen category, the age limits from 13 to 19. And for the Miss Universe Meghalaya, it is from 18 years onwards. There are no other criteria, there's no height criteria, there's no weight criteria or anything like that. It's just open to anyone and everyone who wishes to participate in this. And that is why I want to encourage everyone to please come forward and participate in it, because it is going to be a learning experience for each and every one of them. And today, with so much challenges in the world where jobs are concerned, going through this training period, I'm sure it'll help them to be able to achieve many things which they wish to achieve after going through this training. At the end of the day, we're going to say that we're not just here to select winners, but we are building ambassadors for our state. I will hand you over now to Shravan.
From the Carnivals that will be to on the 7th of March 2026. Then we'll be heading on to July. That will be on the 10th of March 2026. And then lastly, we'll be proceeding to Shillong. That will be on the 14th of March 2026. For the auditions, we'll have the walk-in registration from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and we'll have a short briefing to all the contestants from 10:30 to 10:50. And after that, we'll be having a 20 minutes break. We'll line up the contestants and we'll be starting with the auditions. And for the grooming part, I will hand over to Ms. Leila.
I really want to highlight regarding the grooming part of the competition, especially for the contestants, is that this is not just a beauty pageant. It is a platform where confidence is cultivated, voices are amplified, and futures are shaped. So our contestants will be going through a process of personality development, community impact, ram walk mastery, for them to be able to handle Q&A interviews, fitness, which includes from skin to their mental health and wellness. And most importantly for us is we are looking for a contestant who's going to come with great authenticity, build not only their personality development, but build a career around it. So our main focus this year is that the girls, they come in with a little few rough edges and we define them into refined young women. So there's a lot of grooming sessions that we'll be giving the girls today. For now, that's all that we can give you.
For the contestants would be, we have 2 rounds. For the first round, we'll have the white tank tops with the broad straps and blue denim shorts. And for the second round, we'll be having this short black bodycon dress. That will be for the audition rounds.
We'd be really happy if the parents also were involved in it. So the parents could support them by being there whilst we're having our practice sessions. Because we're going to try our best in whatever way we can to take care of each and every girl the best way we can. Because at the end of the day, I believe that every child and every teen and every person who's entering in the Miss category too, they all need to be taken care of so that whatever we do and in this during this period of time, they will be able to do well at the end of it. I think because what we need today are young, confident people in our state who will be able to carry our state forward. And through something like this, they will be able to do so. Besides that, I just wanted to also thank everybody here for being with us today, because it means a lot. And
communication skills and find real opportunities beyond the crowd. We are focused on properly organizing a properly organized event, good production, professional good setup, media coverage almost all over the state, and if we can maybe nationally as well, and clear coordination within the team. We also want to ensure safety, safe and proper management for contestants and both the audience as well. We are also currently looking for sponsors, and we warmly welcome brands and organization who support our youth and women's development to collaborate with us.